it's there.
Whoosh! How did you reach there? Help me with this train. इसका क्या करें?
इसको पीछे रखते हैं.
Okay, let's fold it up. Oh!
इसको फोल्ड करना पड़ेगा.
Fold करना पड़ेगा. Okay. How about your tent? Should I give you light?
Yeah, please.
Okay, fine. Wait.
Wait.
Let me put some stones on it. Help me lift this up. I'll give you some light. ठीक है? You go get your tent.
Camping out in the wild brought its share of challenges. But here at Parshuram Kund, fear wasn't the dominant emotion. It was realization. We left the jungles to build cities. We built walls and roofs and got used to the comfort. Now we can't stand the nature at its raw form.
The wind pretty much shook everything in its wake. But the Gloucester stood firm. It felt like we were having the taste of adventure, but at the same time, felt a sense of safety and protection.
Even though we were set on reaching Dong on time, we couldn't help but be tempted by every passing town along the route.
Most importantly, the Lohit river stream kept following us since we left Parshuram Kund, as if it was trying to hold us back. At times, we did feel like stopping over. After all, destinations may have the charm of accomplishments. The journeys have their own story of enrichments. You know, Lohit River is also known as the River of Blood, mainly because of the reddish lateritic soil which is found in its riverbed.
Do you know we can do river rafting here?
Oh yeah, especially during Dambuk Orange Festival, this place becomes a haven for nature lovers. You can, pursue a lot of activities over here.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
This is the dangerous mountain road of Huliang. Known for its temperamental nature, this road at times can get quite challenging.
Yeah, especially during the monsoon season, the landslides can completely block this road out. And since this is the only connecting road for the natives over here, I think it can bring life to a complete standstill and it's quite challenging.
Fortunately, Gloucester is designed for off-roading. Especially the 5-link integral setup of the rear suspension gives the Gloucester amazing balance and control over steep terrains. Just makes the Gloucester unstoppable.
That's the beauty of journeys. The harder the obstacles, the greater is your desire to challenge them. And the better is the view that awaits you. But one thing's for sure, every trip, every journey, every day on the road teaches you something new. You go home as a different person.
We were getting close to Wollongong. Although the journey was long and tiring, we were quite excited to see the first sunrise of India.
Finally, we reached, and now we just need a good night's sleep and we will be ready for the dawn.
Dong is called the land of rising sun, and we are going to witness the marvel firsthand.
And Dong shares its border with North Myanmar and Tibet. Also, it is the easternmost village in India that is accessible by car. So we are going to drive till the foothill, then trek rest of the way.
I think I'm wired for road trips, but I'm not a planner. I like to go with the flow because it teaches you to be humble. When you go head first into the unknown, you have no idea what you are up against. That's when all the notions peel off and you are left with one realization. You are a tiny speck in this universe. You learn to cope, adapt and get along because there's no other way to get by.
I think this is why I travel. It's so similar to life. You never know what will happen along the way. Yet you keep moving forward, hoping that you will reach your destination. And when you do, it fills you with an inexplicable joy. Even though your bones are crackling under your skin, in the end, the bliss subdues the discomfort. And it was so worth it. अभी हमें लास्ट सनसेट भी देखना है ना?
Bring it on.
Yes, let's do it.